In this lesson, I will show you how to create curve by using Convert Entities tool. This is a 3D part and I want to make some projected curve on this plane based on this part. So I will create one sketch on this plane, right click and select sketch. Now I am inside this sketch. I will go inside this sketch tab. From here I can activate this Convert Entities tool. I will activate this. At the top, I have to select any entity which I want to convert this and put it inside this sketch. I will select this two line. This two line is selected, then I will press OK. And you can see this is showing this is converted from here to here. Now you can work with it. I will press Ctrl Z to go back because I want to convert it again, but this time I will not select any edge. I will select just full surface. Then I will press OK. And this will convert all outer edges from this surface. Let's say I want to bring all of this whole together. You can also do that. If I select Convert Entities, I have to select Face. This time at the bottom there is one option called Select All Inner Loop. Or if I select this inner loops one by one, I can select it manually. But I will select all inner loop together. Here you can see 3 loop has been selected, which is this 3 loop. And I don't need to select this face. I will right click and delete. I already converted this face. I will press OK. And you can see there are 3 holes here. Now what is the benefit you will get if you use this? Let's close this sketch. Now I will go inside this sketch. I will move this to hold this to here, this hole here, and this hole I will move somewhere here. Also I will change from 400 to 500. I change 3 hole location and overall height. Then I will close this sketch and automatically it will update this sketch also because I converted this from this existing part. That is the main power of this Convert Entities. Let's say I created it, but I don't want to control this from this part. Maybe I don't want control from this after making this shape. In that case, you have to select this on edge relation and delete it. This is how you can get more control. Now this is no longer controlled by this part. You can move this to anywhere.